This is an simple animation which we will develop today in Tupi. After discussing few definitions, we will develop this animation. Frame. Each image of the animation is called a frame. When we are using frame by frame animation. When we are drawing using computers, it provides a very good feature of layering. Layers are used to draw parts of the drawing so that it does not disturb other parts of the drawing. Layers are like different sheets, and we can draw part of the picture in one sheet and other part of the picture in other sheet. And because these are like transparent sheets, so when we layer them on each other, we are able to see all the drawings. So it makes a complete drawing. Right sidebar has two expandable panels, Scene Manager and Exposure Sheet. Scene Manager allows you to handle scenes of the projects, and Exposure Sheet allows you to handle scenes. It contains columns. One column represents one layer, and in each layer there are cells. Each cell represents one frame. Control panel provides play button to play the video. FPS, frames per second, is the speed of the animation. If loop button is selected, it makes our animation keep on playing until we stop it. Animation can be created in two ways, frame by frame animation and tweening animation. Today's animation will be creating using technique frame by frame animation. Let us create one boy in animation module using ellipse tool, pencil menu. We are creating this animation using frame by frame animation method. In this method, we can create several frames. I'm using now line tool. Line tool to create his body. We are creating animation in animation module. So now one frame is ready. Let us add one more frame. Let's copy this frame so that second frame is exactly same as first frame. Now we'll make some changes. I will just rotate his hand. First let's flip this hand and then rotate it so that location is changed. When you select any object, this rotate and flip button, these appear on the right side bar. Now rotate his another hand as well. make some changes in his legs position also. Let's move his leg to upside a little bit. Let us see in the player module. This player module has buttons like loop, FPS, play. FPS button is used to change the speed. Loop, let's loop it so that it continues. Let's reduce the speed. It has one blank frame. Let us delete this blank frame. Let us see in the player module. Now it is okay, I think. Now we will create one more layer. In this layer, I'm going to create one tree. We are creating this image in second layer so that it does not disturb our previous image or previous layer. And because these layers are transparent, so we can see both the layers at the same time. Fill the color and let us group this object. Copy this. Now let us see in the player module. It is okay now. So